will be conducted day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is, beg your pardon, it will be conducted tomorrow, and then day after tomorrow he will be given Bhu Samadhi. So after, tomorrow we will be able to know about the results.
Piyush, I'm just taking it away for a moment.
On our screens right now, Republic has been able to access the suicide note. We are just playing out one bit of that suicide note. I think, Piyush, that runs into a good 7 to 8 pages. You can continue talking and, talk more of particularly this last page that we have put out our focus on. And I think the name of Anand Giri is also mentioned, Piyush.
Well, absolutely. Yesterday, we got to know as to how Anand Giri was coming out, and he was saying that this is a big conspiracy which has been hatched against him, and he is not involved in this. In fact, he's ready to support two police officials. We have also seen the developments taking place. Few police officials are now coming out. We continue to talk about the developments. Those are taking place. Few police officials have come here, but what we are right now learning from this suicide note which we have accessed is that the name of Anand Giri is mentioned in that, but the point of investigation in this case is that the handwriting. If you look at this suicide note, we can clearly see as to how it was cut. There are multiple cuts on that suicide note, and then it was rewritten, which is certainly telling us as to how there is some sort of conspiracy which police is now investigating. Police has formed multiple teams. SIT has already been formed. We are learning from our sources is that there are 8 people who are now on radar, and most likely police would sort lie detector test of these 8 people. So on the other side, this property angle has also erupted because it's a huge mutt, and Mahant Narendra Giri has also mentioned about the property angle and name of Anand Giri. Anand Giri has been brought from Haridwar to Prayagraj, and further investigation in this case continues. We'll have to wait and watch where this investigation heads, but Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now assured to the entire Seer fraternity that strict actions will be taken and the perpetrator will not be spared. We also heard statements coming in from other political personalities, be it Om Prakash Rajbar, who asked for CBI probe, Akhilesh Yadav, who has sought inquiry from an independent judge. We'll have to wait and watch how this investigation proceeds.
Yes, Piyush, we are given to understand that this entire suicide note actually runs into almost 15 pages. Now, the question that is on my mind is that if, someone really is wanting to commit suicide, will he really sit down, pen a letter as long as this? I think this is also something that a lot of investigative agencies now are also thinking about the veracity of this letter and whether this letter actually was written by the Mahant himself. Was he dictating this? Did someone else write this for him? What more do we know about this? What are your sources telling you?
Well, Deepthi, sources are telling us that this suicide note has not been written by him. This is what the sources are telling us, because what we are learning that he could not write, he only knew how to sign. So this is what we have learned from the people who were close to him, people who were his disciples, his family members, that he could only sign. So that is also a part of investigation. If he actually wrote that suicide note, because we have already seen as to how there are multiple cuts on the suicide note, and it is more than 14 to 15 pages suicide note, and he has mentioned, in fact, the name of Anand Giri is mentioned in that. So we'll have to. So there's a certain questions those are now coming out. Is Anand Giri the only accused, or are there other people who needs to be investigated? What is there in that particular video which has been recovered by police officials? It's 4 minutes video which is with them, in which Mahant Narendra Giri has narrated ordeal to which he went through and the reason of committing suicide. Who was the one who actually wrote that suicide note? Because sources are telling us, his family, people who are very close to him are telling us that he did not know how to write, he only knew how to sign. So there are certain questions those have now come out. Police is investigating the entire case. SIT has been formed. Top police officials, 4 senior police officials are heading that. In fact, 3 people have already been arrested, and Anand Giri is being interrogated in Prayagraj. So multiple angles have come out. What is there in this video? Who wrote that suicide note? There are certain questions which needs to be answered. Deepthi.
Oh, absolutely. Piyush, I think we'll also try to get our colleague Sanika, who's just going to join us from our Mumbai newsroom and take us through the entire contents of this letter. But Piyush, I think just one look at this really tells you that this, could have been just manipulated. I'm not sure how the forensic and the police teams could be looking at this letter, but the handwriting is extremely shaky. There are a lot of, writings, overwritings, cuts, deletions, additions, additional things like, written over each other also in all these letters. I think in all these 15 pages, Piyush, that really comes out. And I think till about last evening, Piyush, the agencies actually believe that this is a suicide. That is how they were examining it. But since last evening, there have been a number of questions, I think, that have been raised on this particular suicide note itself, Piyush.
Absolutely, and after police officials recovered that suicide note, many questions have now come out as to what actually happened. What was this property angle which is coming out? Why did Anand Giri's name surface? Are there other accused in this case involved in this? Did he actually write that suicide note? So now this entire case is being investigated with a murder angle. This is what we are getting to know. FIR has already been lodged in this case. Anand Giri has been called in here at Prayagraj. He's being interrogated. As I'm speaking, I would ask Vivek to continue to show you visuals from inside this mutt, where seers from different parts of the country, they continue to congregate. Right behind me, right behind that particular hall is the place where the mortal remains of Mahant Narendra Giri have been kept, and tomorrow post-mortem would be done, and after the day after tomorrow he would be given Bhu Samadhi. This is what we have been given to understand. So let's continue to show the visuals from right there where people are congregating. We also saw Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath coming here, paying last respects to mortal remains, and after that former Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav came. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath mentioned about one fact, that perpetrators would not be spared. All angles would be investigated. On the other side, Akhilesh Yadav mentioned about the fact about inquiry from High Court judge. So there are demands, Susanna, coming out. People from across the country continue to come here, pay their last respects to mortal remains of Mahant Narendra Giri. And these are the pictures which we are showing you from inside this mutt. And not only this, I would ask Vivek to once give you a 360-degree view. On the other side, you can see as to how the security has also been beefed up inside this mutt. Property angle in fact has come out. Both sides of this entrance of mutt has been covered. Security layer has been provided to entry and exit areas of this mutt. So indeed, this entire theory, those are now coming out, Deepti. It is now raising a lot of questions. We have to wait and watch where the investigation heads. Deepti.
Oh, absolutely. Piyush, stay with me. I think we can now take it across to Sanika, who has been able to access this letter also on behalf of our team reporting on the story. Sanika, why don't you read through the important contents? Where exactly do we see the name of Anand Giri? And I think a few more disciples are named in this alleged suicide note.
Deepti, and this is the 15-page alleged suicide note that we've accessed. This is with the police right now. This is being examined by the forensic team as well. Just showing you the letter. This is the first page. It's the letterhead of the Akhada Parishad Srimat Vagambari Gaddi. So this is the letterhead of Mahant Narendra Giri, and this is where the letter starts. And in fact, the most important portion is on the first page itself, where he says कि दुखी होकर आत्महत्या करने का निर्णय लेकर आत्महत्या करने जा रहा हूँ. मेरी मौत की जिम्मेदारी आनंद गिरी, आद्य प्रसाद तिवारी, संदीप तिवारी सन ऑफ आद्य प्रसाद तिवारी की होगी. प्रयागराज के सभी पुलिस अधिकारी एवं प्रशासनिक अधिकारियों से अनुरोध करता हूँ मेरी आत्महत्या की जिम्मेदारी उपरोक्त लोगों को मानकर कार्यवाही की जाए. So this is what the first letter itself, in which the first page of the 15-page letter itself, he's mentioned the name of Anand Giri, Adya Prasad Tiwari and Sandeep Tiwari, and he is in this alleged suicide note. It is being claimed that it is because of these three people that Mahant Narendra Giri has been driven to take this extreme step of committing suicide, is what this alleged suicide note is saying. Now this, Deepti, this note, this alleged 15-page note is under investigation right now. What we are getting to know is that the police is investigating the case, and they're also sort of they've sent it to the forensic team as well, because they believe that there are certain discrepancies in this 15-page letter. And where there are certain handwriting differences which the police believe there are, because in the other pages of the letters of this letter, apparently the seer has mentioned what responsibility will each of the disciples take, sort of a will that has been presented. Because in the last page, we know that on the last page of this letter, what we could decipher, what we could make out is that Narendra Giri had said that I would like to make Balbir Singh as the in charge as in would task him to take care of the entire mutt, is what we could make out so far. Deepti, what we can also tell our viewers is that Piyush was telling us that there is apparently a video as well of Mahant Narendra Giri, which is under investigation. And in fact, Deepti, if you could ask Piyush about the other investigative details as we continue to decode what's written in this 15-page alleged suicide note.
Oh, absolutely. You know, the story obviously raises a lot more questions, Sanika. What we'll do is that on the other side of this quick break, we'll be on top of the story and much more. For the moment, I thank you and Piyush for getting details of that. But when we come back, we are keeping our focus on this big story.